Hello guys, welcome to HM Gaming. In this video, I will guide you how to overclock your PS5 controller or any other gaming controller for FC26. This option helps to reduce your input delay and add more responsive gameplay in your FC26. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful FC26 content. If you love to support my work, you can join my membership program and get a personalized guide through Discord. First, I have to check the controller responsive time without any overclock. So let's run the polling rate program in command prompt. I choose left controller. It will collect almost 2000 inputs from your controller and the final result is 4 ms average. That's huge. DualSense controller come up with 3 ms to 4 ms default interval time in your PC. Let's check once again with the DS for Windows software. Here I choose DualSense controller and the result almost same 4 ms. Now we're gonna overclock the gaming controller. This process exactly overclock the USB port in your PC, not the controller. So every time please keep connect your gaming controller on the same port in your PC. Run the HID USB exe file as our administrator. Connect your controller in your PC, always using the rear side 3.0 or 3.1 USB port for better result. And please avoid frontline USB port in your PC. And here choose all, then find your gaming controller. Mine is DualSense controller. I'm gonna choose that. Then check on filter on device, then choose the polling rate to 1000, install service, then restart. After 3 seconds, unplug your controller and plug again. Now you see your controller polling rate and interval time changed to 1004. That means your gaming controller overclocked to 1 ms from 4 ms. Let's check the result with polling rate in command prompt and DS for Windows. Yes, responsive values changed right now. You can see that. Let's set the value to 8000 and check the result. Process are same. Sometimes you get an error message like this. Just ignore that. Unplug your controller again. Now check the result. In DS for Windows, it says 0 ms. In polling rate test, it almost reduced another few values. Just few values, not much. Both 1000 and 8000 very good value. Both are almost same. Our aim is down the controller responsive time to 1 ms. 1000 or 8000 almost similar result. If your game FPS log on 60, don't use 8000, stick with 1000 because 8000 value bring more shutter in 60 FPS game. If you play FC26 above 120 FPS, then you can try 8000, no shutter above 120 FPS. That's the result. I'm good with 1000. My game input delay 80% reduced right now. I'm happy with the result. Hope this video help you to reduce the input delay in your FC26. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Happy gaming.